And welcome to our regular Lucas News Bulletin from Lucas HQ. I'm Kate McIntyre. Lucas is going to be offering free lung testing at 3 major construction sites later this year. The tests are carried out in partnership with the British Lung Foundation. The first will be in June at 22 Bishopsgate, followed by South Place in September and Battersea Power Station in December. Around 10,000 people are diagnosed with lung disease every day, and there's a real prevalence of respiratory hazards in the construction industry. It's hoped the tests will raise awareness and encourage early identification of possible lung conditions.
But nothing beats actually physically, actually speaking to people, professionals, getting your lungs physically tested and then being given that sort of reminder, gosh, this is why it's important. If I don't do this, then I could be exposed to X, Y or Z, It makes a massive difference.
Lucas is launching a new style of sustainable, prefabricated accommodation pods branded Toto, which stands for Think Outside the Ordinary. Lucas already have a strong track record with Lucas Offsite, manufacturing bathroom pods that can be inserted straight into new build projects. Toto is a range of accommodation pods, ready-to-use spaces, sustainably built and solar-powered to keep running costs low. These semi-permanent multi-use buildings should generally not require planning permission and will be perfect as garden offices, small business workspaces or ideal for pop-up retail spaces.
Lucas have been involved for about 5 or 6 years now in the pod market. They're used very much in construction projects where bathrooms are bought in as modules. And we've got a spin on that obviously we see a really big opportunity for and we're very excited about.
And finally, Lucas Pro Store has just taken its biggest single order for its Pro Finish brush from across the pond. Lucas was delighted that the brushes were going to the highly respected Painters Journeyman and Apprenticeship program in Portland, Oregon. Danny Lucas was so delighted about where the brushes were going that he ended up rolling up his sleeves, coming into the office and packing them himself.
We've got a milestone moment for the Lucas team. We've had our biggest single order from one customer in the US. The Lucas Pro Finish is going out to the States and it's actually going to be used by apprentices, which is an amazing thing for all of us. I'm going to send it with a personal note and a copy of Get the Tin Out and Paint the World to get the message over about what we're doing with the skill shortage, and I think it's an amazing moment. I'm personally packing the order because it's that important to us as a company, so we really hope these guys in the US love the tool and we can't wait to see more from how they use that.
Now make sure you do check out the Lucas Show next week and please subscribe to our channel for further updates so you never miss an episode. I'll see you next time. Bye.
People like the logo and they make up stories and they come up with their own ideas about what inspired me to create the logo. One was people were sure that because there was an apple involved and because there was a bite out of the apple, it had something to do with Adam and Eve and the Garden of Eden and taking a bite from the apple of the tree of knowledge. So I can see how a lot of people put things together. That wasn't it.